Just cat it! Cat organizes tests into projects. In this video, we'll explain what the cat project is and how to work with it. Let's say you created your first few tests in Cat Studio. Because you want to run the tests again in the future, you need to save the project. Whenever you have an open project, Save Project button is in the top right toolbar, or just hit Ctrl+S. I'll name my project Aero, as it tests data of a fictitious airport operator. Notice the extension for the project file is .cat.yaml. You can close the saved project and reopen it whenever you need, either with Open Existing Project button or from the list of recent project files. You can also mark your project as Favorite to easily access it any time. When you open a project, the project page shows nice overview of the open project. In my case, I can easily see that my project contains only 2 tests, and both test the same data source. Also notice both tests are in the default suite. Suites are for categorization of tests. Let's go to Tests page and fill test suites for the tests. The first can be passenger data, and the second, financial data. Whenever you return to the project page, all the charts and data are refreshed. The project page gives a nice, brief, high-level overview what you test, in what data sources, where you want to store the results of tests, and what are other project settings. Let's check another thing about our project now. Let's see what it looks like when we open it in a text editor. What we created with Cat Studio is a simple text file in YAML format. We can see here in a very readable form both the data source and the 2 tests. You can edit everything in the Cat Studio and don't care about this file much. But sometimes it is handy. For instance, I can do easily global replacements, which is much faster here in the text editor than one by one in Cat Studio. Whatever changes you do in the text editor, don't forget to save them and then use Reload Project button in the Cat Studio. The format of the file is very source control friendly. You can version control your project with Git if you want to. And you can run the tests completely outside the Cat Studio from a command line. See how easy it is. Just copy the project path, open terminal and run catcli-p and paste the path here with Ctrl+V. This is exactly what automation pipelines in Azure DevOps, GitHub Actions, or other similar systems do. If you are not an IT geek, don't worry. All that is completely optional. What really matters is that you have your tests. Use Cat Studio to create them, save your project files, and run your tests whenever you need.
Just cat it!